Now, here's a wee example of having more than one shape making up a final shape and trying to calculate the area. Okay, so it's basically just composite shapes. So what you'll probably find here is it's a wee semicircle on top of a rectangle. So it might be a door that you're having to find the area of. Okay, so if you break the shape into this wee component elements, so you'll see that this is a semicircle and there's a rectangle. Now you know how to calculate the area of a rectangle in relation to the formula that you've done before. So area of the rectangle equals length times breadth. So what you essentially do here is just have a wee look at this shape, and it's 2 times 3. Okay, so this is, or 3 times 2. So the area of this rectangle part of it is this 6 metre squared. Right, we then have to think about, well, what's the area of this top bit? Okay, so the top bit, this is a semicircle. Now, you know how to calculate the area of a circle, because what we have is area of a circle equals pi r squared. Now, the diameter is 2 metres, so we know the actual radius is half of that. Okay, so what we'll have is the area of the circle is pi times 1 squared. Okay, which is, if we have a wee look here, so there's pi times 1 squared, you'll find it's pi. Okay, so we'll just have this as 3.14 metre squared. Right, so that's the area of the circle, but it's just a half circle. So what you then do is just divide that by 2, so it's half of it. Okay, so divide that by 2, so it's 1.57 metre squared. So we've calculated the area of the rectangular part just by length times breadth, and then we've calculated the area of the circle and just divided it by 2 just to get the semicircle. And the area of the door. Okay, so we say area of door equals, that's 6 metre squared plus 1.57 metre squared, so that is 7.57 metre squared. So you just break these shapes into simpler shapes and find the area, and then just add them all together. Okay, so find the area of the rectangle first. If it's a semicircle, I'll actually point it out, so you just find the area as though it's a circle and just divide it by 2, because obviously it's half a circle. Add them together, and that gives you your answer.